Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix no sound in WhatsApp video calls on your Android. So for this guys, first method, disable the less data for WhatsApp call option. So open your WhatsApp app and now here tap on three dots and tap on settings. And now here tap on storage and data. You can see here guys, use less data for calls. You disable this option. After this, restart your device. Hopefully guys, this will fix your problem. And the second method, switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi. You change the network connection and try. The third method, enable the unrestricted data usage. So for this guys, open your Android settings. Now go to apps and go to see all apps. Find your WhatsApp app. Open the WhatsApp app. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Disable the unrestricted data usage and go back, tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now restart your device. The fourth method, check the microphone permissions. So once again, open the settings, go to apps and go to see all apps. Find your WhatsApp app. Open the WhatsApp app and tap on permissions. Tap on microphone. Enable the allow only while using the app and once again restart your device. The fifth method, check the Bluetooth devices, and the sixth method, reset the app preferences. So for this guys, once again go to settings, go to apps and go to see all apps. Now here tap on three dots and tap on reset app preferences and finally tap on reset apps. After this, once again restart your device and try. The final method, update your WhatsApp app. So open your Play Store, search here WhatsApp and check here guys update option. You can see here the update is available. You update the app and after this once again you can try. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.